Hello and welcome to this how-to video. Today I will show you how to install and start Astrée on your Linux machine. If you are working on a Windows machine, please take a look at our video on how to install Astrée on a Windows machine, which is linked in the description. Once you receive the download link for Astrée, please download the software. Now unpack the installation package to a freely selectable target directory on your host system. Once this is done, enter the subdirectory A3C Linux build number release and execute the install.sh script. Please read the provided information during the installation process and follow the instructions. In case this script is executed with administrator rights, a global configuration file is automatically created for Astrée. This can be useful on systems which will be accessed by several users. If the script is executed without administrator rights, as in my case, it is asked whether the installation should continue without creating a global configuration file. I answer with yes to continue. Otherwise, the script breaks off, so you can log in as admin and restart the installation process to create a global configuration file. In the next step, you need to agree to the license agreement to continue the installation. Afterwards, the base path for the installation is requested. You can either use the suggested one or adapt it if necessary. I enter my installation path here. And continue. Then the installation path to the wrapper scripts and product is set, by default in the installation directory. The Astrée analysis server needs a working directory called data directory for storing all analysis data. Please choose in this step a data directory for which the user account executing the analysis server possesses all file permissions. As a data directory should, if possible, use a local directory and not a network drive to avoid network traffic due to client-server communication. You can always change it later via the server controller. In the end, you get an overview about the installation locations, and if everything looks good to you, you can confirm the settings and the Astrée installation will be completed. I enter yes because it works for me. The script tells you then where you can find the launcher to start Astrée. Before you get started, you will need to start the Absinthe License Manager ALM. There will be a separate video on how to do this. Find your host ID of the Absinthe license server and how to install your license there. So I enter my installation directory. And in the installation bin folder, you can see several executables have been installed. The executable A launcher starts the Absinthe launcher, which shows all installed tools and versions and permits to invoke them. Of course, this also includes the Astrée client and server. A launcher should also be used for batch mode invocation. The executable A3C invokes the Astrée client. The A3 stands for Absinthe Advanced Analyzer. Astrée is the Absinthe Advanced Analyzer for C or C++, But Absint also offers static analyzers to compute the worst-case stack usage and worst-case execution time bounds. The executable A3C server controller will start the analysis server interface. And the A3C server is the executable for the Astrée analysis server. If you have further questions or want to get more information about our work and our tools, please visit our webpage www.absint.com or write a mail to info@absint.com.